So for those of you who use Duolingo, you've probably noticed that the icon looks a little weird. What is going on with that? Well, let me explain. I think about a year ago, they decided to switch the icon as a ploy to get more people to click on it and see what it's about, and it ended up working really well. So they've kept on doing it for like the last year. And this time in the icon, the Duolingo bird appears to be sick, and this is supposed to represent that the bird is sick of you not opening the app or something. So I'm also a propagator of this. You should probably do your Duolingo every day just to keep up with your target language. And I also want to encourage you to do something else. I've started doing this recently for Swahili, and I want you to do it too, because I think it is very helpful. Go on ChatGPT, ask it to create a story in your target language, and then set a timer for 1 minute. Go. Read it for 1 minute. You can use Google Translate, and then once that minute is up, you stop reading. Count how many words you read, multiply that by 15, and then ask ChatGPT to create another story in your target language with that number of words. Now read that story and do that 4 times a week. That way, over the course of a week, you'll have studied for a total of 1 hour, which may not sound like a lot, but it'll add up over time. And it's also much more effective than Duolingo is. So with that, good luck studying, and hopefully I'll see you guys in another video. Ciao.